Greetings people. Let me share with you something very exciting, particularly if you feel as though your batteries aren't being fully charged or you just want to get that little bit of extra oomph in your power levels. Recently we were introduced to a product called Missing Minerals. Now I muscle tested this and just like, with a simple muscle test, and it came back very strong and I went, oh, I like this. I took it. I put some in some water and went, oh, I think this can be even better. So what I did is I mixed it with a hydrogen ion supplement, the much loved MegaHydrate, which is probably the most powerful of all the antioxidant supplements there on the market. Silica hydride and hydrogen ions. Together, rocket fuel. I'm talking wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. That was awesome. And why? I just wanted to see, why did it give me the effect, or why is it giving the people the effect? And so what I did is I went, I'm going to measure it with an oomph meter. The oomph meter, the oxidization reduction potential meter. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply use distilled water, deionized, demineralized distilled water, and we're going to check the oomph of Missing Minerals in one glass, MegaHydrate in the other glass, and then we're going to mix MegaHydrate and the Missing Minerals in the other glass just to see what the difference in the oomph will be. Now, if you're not quite sure what oomph is, the oxidization reduction potential, think rust, antioxidant. Oxidization is what destroys fruit, trees, disintegration, the human body. It's also called hydrogen is known as the anti-aging element simply because it stops rust. It negates rust. It's an antioxidant. So I'm just going to set this up and I'm going to show you some really interesting things. This is very exciting. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just going to fill up the 3 glasses. Oops. Open that. Just around about. So you can see that. I'll just do one just to give the probes a little bit of a rinse as well. Okay, so into this glass, I'm just going to put the Missing Minerals. I'm going to put 1 flat little spoon. 1. Just going to leave that there. In fact, I'll just put that out of the way so we can just see that. And then I'm going to put 1 MegaHydrate. And then I'm going to hold off adding the MegaHydrate. That's 1 flat spoon. To that one. I'm going to use that one. That one. Now we're going to get our oomph meter. And I'm just going to use the Missing Minerals first. Let me look at that. So that's plus 160, 163. Now the reason it's a plus is because there's no minus there. We actually want to get into the negative, the anti. So the more negative, the better it is for us. The greater the energy reception for us. Okay, I'm just going to give it a rinse. So that was plus 160. Okay, now the MegaHydrate. You'll notice as soon as I turn this on that there's going to be a big negative. See that? Boom. Minus 736, 738. So it went from plus 160 to minus 745, and it was just going to, as the hydrogen ions, you'll see as I stir it around and activate it, everything will get moved around. Now, let's try I'll put this in here. So that's 760. Now I just get 1 flat teaspoon of the Missing Minerals, 1 flat teaspoon of the MegaHydrate, stir that around. Now I'm just going to put my probe, so that was minus 760. 790. 800, 800 and rising. So whatever it is, and I'll be quite honest with you, I don't know why it reacts like that with the hydrogen with these minerals, but look at that, it's just keeping on going, keeping on going. This is ridiculous. So, you know, if you're an athlete, or if you're recovering from illness, or you're recovering from, or you just want to be a little bit more brilliant and magnificent than you already are, electrolytes, look at this, it's still going up, or it's still going down. The greater the ability of reception, the greater the transmission that can occur. Let's just have a quick check of the pH. Put the lid on that. Just the missing minerals. 6.3, 6.4, 6.5. Boom, boom, boom. 7. So basically right on 7, the alkaline, so it's not highly acidic and it's not highly alkaline. Just going to give that a rinse. MegaHydrate. Makes it more alkaline, going up to 8, which is 10 times the alkalinity of 7. Works in the 10 by 10. Same way they measure earthquakes, can you believe it? And now with the missing minerals. Not about the same as the MegaHydrate. But look at that, look how it all bubbles up. Isn't that awesome? That is just so cool. So as you can see, the results speak for themselves. Look, if you're seriously considering making yourself that little bit more magnificent and supplying your body with broad potent antioxidants, I would strongly suggest missing minerals and MegaHydrate together. Wonderful stuff.